Once in a dense forest, there lived a little squirrel named Nutty. Nutty was known for her adventurous spirit and kind heart. She spent her days gathering nuts and helping other animals. One sunny morning, as Nutty was exploring the forest, she heard a faint cry for help. Following the sound, she discovered a baby bird trapped in a thorny bush. The little bird, named Chirpy, was scared and unable to free himself. "Don't worry, Chirpy," Nutty said soothingly. "I'll get you out of there." Despite the sharp thorns, Nutty bravely climbed into the bush and carefully nibbled away at the thorns, creating a path for Chirpy to escape. After much effort, Nutty freed Chirpy, who flapped his wings with joy. "Thank you, Nutty," Chirpy chirped. "How can I ever repay you?" Nutty smiled. "No need to repay me. Helping others is what makes the forest a happy place." As days passed, Nutty and Chirpy became best friends, exploring the forest together. One day, as they were playing near the river, they noticed something unusual. The river, which usually flowed gently, was now rushing fiercely. The animals in the forest were in danger of being swept away. "We must warn everyone," Nutty said urgently. She and Chirpy raced through the forest, alerting all the animals about the danger. The larger animals helped the smaller ones, and everyone moved to higher ground, away from the river. Thanks to Nutty and Chirpy's quick thinking and bravery, all the animals were safe. The forest community was grateful and decided to hold a feast in their honor. The animals celebrated with joy, sharing food and stories. From that day on, Nutty and Chirpy were known as the heroes of the forest. Their bravery and kindness reminded everyone that even the smallest creatures can make a big difference. The forest thrived, filled with friendship and harmony.